Good morning students, Saira. Welcome back to the computer session. In the last session, we have completed chapter number 3, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. In that, we have learned how to start a PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, selecting a blank presentation and adding text and saving presentation, and how to open an existing presentation and design templates, and what are the different views, that is normal view, slide sorter view, slideshow view and note page view. So in this session we will start a new lesson, that is chapter number 4, slide organization. Okay. So in that we are going to learn how to add a new slide, changing the new slide, that is layout, editing text and moving and copying text and inserting text box, and how to rearrange the slides in slide sorter. Okay. The first we will learn how to adding a new slide. So you can add as many as slides in your presentation, right, based on your requirement. So when you add a slide, you need to consider the layout of that particular slide. So let us learn how to add a layout and how to add a new slide. Okay. So in that, open PowerPoint, and that now can you see here, by default you can see the click to add title and click to add subtitle slides are selecting, right? That is a by default. Now you want to add a one more new slide. You want to add in your presentation a new slide. You will click on the home tab and the new slide button, right? Okay, and you will add a different slide. Okay, so existing presentation. Okay, now after that you want to change the layout of your slide. Okay, so layout contains the placeholder which hold text such as title, bulleted list, and slide contains tables, chart, pictures, shapes and clip art. Now the layout, can you see in the home tab layout button? Okay, suppose by here you want to change the layout in your presentation now. Now actually it is click to add title, right? Now you want to change the layout. Okay, you will place the cursor over there in a particular slide, and you can change your layout by clicking home tab and layout button. Yes, children, understood? New slide, taking a new slide is you are adding a slide to your presentation. Layout means you are changing a layout in your presentation. Okay, so here for example, say click to add title and title is there. Okay, now here you want to take the layout, different layout. Okay, you can select the different layout from home tab and the layout option. Is that clear? Okay, to select the more than one, suppose you want to select a more than one slide. Okay, so then you have to hold the shift key. Okay, when you are selecting the particular slide, you have to hold the shift key to add more than one slides. Okay, to select more than one slide, then you have to click a shift button. Okay, now slide sorter view. Okay, now you can see here, slide sorter, here you can see the layout. The layout can be modified either in normal view or slide sorter view. Okay, you can modify take a layout in slide sorter view also, or you can use a normal view. Okay, choose the select here, can you see here, choose the slide whose layout you want to change and select the slide from home tab and layout button. So understood now what is the difference between new slide and a layout. Okay, anytime you can change layout in your presentation. Now we will next editing text. Okay, the text you type in placeholders such as place, title, subtitle, right? So can be modified in a variety of ways. Okay, now see, for example, editing text, here we will take a blank presentation. Okay, now we will select one more slide. okay, so that we can edit the text. Okay, title slide or okay, title slide, click to add, click there. Okay, select the slide in which you want to edit the text, and can you see the placeholder with the cursor inside it? It will appear, right? See the cursor over there. Then there you can write, you can make a changes, or you can write the text over there. So this way you can edit it. Take the cursor over there, right, and you can edit your text. Now, okay, so this way you can edit it. Now, moving text and copying text. So the moving means what? Here the cut command removes the selected data from the original position, while the copy command creates a duplicate. In both cases, the selected data is kept in a temporary storage. So that is known as clipboard. The data from the clipboard is later inserted whenever a paste command is used. That means when you are doing copy paste or cut paste, it is stored in the temporary storage, that is where it is in the clipboard. Now we will take the blank slide and we will do the moving text and copying text. Okay, so the moving text, now what we'll do now, taking us, okay, now select the text first. Select the text from your mouse, or you can use a keyboard, that is you can use arrow key also, right? Select the text. Now remember, we are moving the text from one place to another. Okay, that is cut paste. So home tab, in the cut button, can you see cut? And where you want to paste, take the cursor there. In the next slide, I am going to paste it in the next slide, right? So next slide, okay, and click on the paste option from your home tab. Okay, take the cursor there. Can you see now? Cut and paste. Now you can see there that previous slide is blank. Why? I have taken cut paste. That means I have moved the text from one slide to another. Or you can use a shortcut key, that is Ctrl X for a cut and the Ctrl V for paste. So that is cut paste. Yes children, understood now? Cut and paste. Okay, so shortcut key is very easy, Ctrl X and Ctrl V. Okay, now this feature, that is which one, moving text, is used to move the objects from one place to another. Now we will learn a copy paste. Okay, so the copy paste means you can copy the object anywhere on a slide between slides or from one file to another. Now see, okay, now can you see the two slides over there? Now we will do copy paste. Same procedure, select the text in the home tab. Okay, you are using copy. So copy, can you see copy button, copy, and take the next slide where you want to copy. Okay, and you can paste it. Yes children, understood now? Okay, copy and paste. So what are the shortcut for copy paste? Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So that is copy and paste. Okay, understood? What is cut paste? Cut paste is Ctrl X and Ctrl V. Okay, and you want to copy, you want to make a duplicate slide, then Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, this way you can do it. So can you see this temporary in the clipboard? It is, see, temporary it is stored, right, in the clipboard. Okay, now you can do copy paste. Okay, so you can copy the objects anywhere on a slide between slides or from one file to another. Okay, this feature reducing time and effort in typing. Okay, so copy and paste options duplicate the selected objects. Now inserting text box. Okay, inserting text box. So sometimes you want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. For example, if you have selected a new slide or layout, okay, slide and title, okay, for but you want to add, okay, you need a 3 text box. So sometimes you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. So the text box is a placeholder. Okay, when you now select a blank slide, now here I want to add the text. Okay, the text box is not there. Here we have to select a text box. Okay, new slide button, then home tab. Okay, enter the home tab and select the drawing group. In the drawing group you can see the text box. So select the text box and you can enter the text. Okay, click on the text box tool. Where is the text box tool? It is in the drawing toolbar, in the home tab drawing toolbar. Okay, you can, okay, we'll change the font size so that, and color also. Okay, so one more text. You want to add a one more line. Now again go to the text box in the drawing tool, right, in the drawing, okay, home tab, drawing group, and you can add as many as text box in your slide. Okay, so drag the mouse pointer and release when you are done. So you can see a text box over there. Okay, then you can write it. Okay, now, okay, rearranging slides in the slide sorter view. How to rearrange the slide? Rearranging means what? You can take the first slide. So if you want to take the first slide and the last over, just take the mouse pointer and drag it. Okay, click on the slide sorter button on the view tab. Okay, here you can drag the selected slide to a new location. Okay, similarly you can arrange the slides in the outline tab also. Now see how we are changing. Now again we are taking that standard 6, that but last, see we are moving, just take the mouse pointer and drag it. Okay, drag the selected slide to a new location. Okay, by dragging you can change the position of the slide. Yes children, okay, you can do with the help of slide sorter view. Yes children, now we will learn how to inserting clip art. Okay, the clip art is used to add pictures in the slide, right? With the help of clip art you can add the pictures. So clip art is a collection of media files, images, videos and animation files, right? So clip art is a collection of pictures or images that can be imported into the document or another program. So clip art gallery is a few images to hundred of thousands images you can available in the clip art gallery. So how to take the clip art? Now we will take one blank slide. We will select a blank slide and we will insert with the help of clip art we will insert a image in your slide. Okay, take the slide, select the slide and in the insert tab, right, in the clip art button is there in the illustration group. Okay, insert tab, illustration group and the clip art is command, and you can see the right side I have written solar system. Okay, I want a solar system image or picture, right, and you can find in your computer. Can you see in my computer only one picture is showing, right? The topic I have written solar system. Okay, now see, can you see here only one. So I want a more picture. Now just right click and copy paste or double click on that. Okay, on double click on that. But I want more pictures here. Okay, so I will connect my computer to internet and we will find the picture. Once you connected through internet, okay, we will search. Can you see now? Solar system, can you see here different, can you see here? Lots of pictures, right? By default you can see only one pictures, right? Once I connected to internet, So you can see you will get all the pictures. So right click and paste. Okay. This way you can select your pictures from clip art. Children, right click, select the picture, right click or double click on that pictures. Okay. You can resize the pictures. Understood now? To type the name of the clip art that you want to insert. Okay. Suppose you want to insert a computer picture, just write down the computer. Here I have written a solar system, right? You can see the different pictures in your computer. Yes, children. So clip art is used to add pictures in the slides. So you can add clip art to the existing slides or create slides consisting of clip art gallery. Okay. So where is the clip art? The home tab, insert, and you can use illustration and clip art. Okay. In the insert tab, which tab? Insert tab. Okay. And you understood how to insert a picture also. Okay. Yes, children. We will stop this session. Sai Ram.